What's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you need to preserve important emails in Google Workspace for legal or compliance reasons, here's how to set up a legal hold using Google Vault. Sign into Google Vault at vault.google.com using an administrator account with Google Vault access. Then click Matters. If you already have a matter created, open it. Otherwise, click Create. Enter a name and optional description, and then click Create. Inside the matter, click Holds, then select Create. Enter a unique name for the legal hold and click Choose Service. Then select Gmail if you want to preserve email, or choose another supported Google Workspace service. Just click Continue and choose who the hold applies to. You can apply it to specific accounts by entering one or more user or group's email addresses, or apply it to an organizational unit. Avoid selecting your top-level organizational unit unless you intentionally want the hold to apply to your entire organization. And that's it. Your legal hold is now active in Google Vault, helping preserve important emails for legal, compliance, and investigation purposes. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.